Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize a superstar on the WWE 2K25 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WWE 2K25 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just navigate to the right until you are within the extras page and then go into roster. Now within the roster setting, you will find the edit superstars option. Just enter this page and now you can choose from the various rosters to make changes to any WWE superstar. Once you have chosen the superstar, you can now change their attributes, the hit point ratio, as well as the payback settings. You can also change the finisher of any superstar as well as the super finisher. There is also the option to change the crowd reaction type, and you can choose various different superstars as their allies or enemies as well. After making all of your desired changes, make sure to press the save button, and now your changes will be saved. You can now play any of your desired match mode with your customized superstar right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize any superstar on the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.